Technology is transforming the classroom, and it's changing the way we teach, learn, and grow.
Technology is my way to communicate. I've been told when I give a presentation, it's inspired people.
Inclusion begins beyond just students and teachers, but entire classrooms and even districts. Meeting the diverse needs of all learners means everyone's voice is heard.
Here, and I think they're pretty good suggestions.
Empowering every student, every ability, every difference to achieve more.
Education is all about communication. You have to level the communication field, and then the learning occurs.
Built-in features help to empower educators and students to unlock their creativity, engage collaboration, and bridge communication gaps.
Alias, hammer, incus, anvil, stapes, stirrup.
Simple changes ignite transformation.
We should all be treated the same because we are all the same in our own unique ways.
Imagine if you could empower all of the students of today to create the world of tomorrow.
Technology doesn't just make things easier for people with disabilities. It makes things possible.
Learning happens when the tools we use are built for each of us.
The places you'll go.
And with more than 1 billion people in the world with disabilities, there is no limit to what we can achieve when technology reflects the diversity of all those who use it.